What's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Money Plug, where we break down how to build wealth smarter with AI, crypto, and the future of money. Today, I'm giving you something critical, the 5 AI skills you must learn before 2026, because these are the skills that will separate the winners from everyone else. This is not optional. This is survival in the new digital economy. Let's begin. AI prompting is the new literacy. It determines how much value you get out of every AI model you use. Good prompts create good results. Great prompts create entire businesses. Creators are using prompting to run faceless YouTube channels, e-commerce brands, agencies, automated content teams, all with a single laptop. Automation isn't about saving time, it's about multiplying yourself. AI can schedule content, pull analytics, write emails, run customer support, analyze data, operate entire businesses. Automation equals leverage, and leverage equals wealth in 2026. AI is transforming the creator economy faster than anything we've ever seen, using tools like ChatGPT, Scripts, Runway, full videos, Midjourney, thumbnails, 11 Labs, vocal cloning. Creators are producing Hollywood-level content at insane speeds. If you're not using AI to create, you're already behind someone who is. Data literacy is becoming one of the most valuable skills on Earth. You don't need to be a scientist, but you must know how AI uses data. If you understand what data to feed AI, how to structure it, how to audit outputs, how to correct AI bias, you become more powerful than creators with bigger followings and businesses with bigger budgets. Because AI works best with the right information. This is the next evolution. AI agents can research, execute tasks, generate content, test ideas, analyze markets, run automations, and make decisions. Soon you'll have an AI editor, an AI marketer, an AI personal assistant, an AI financial planner, an AI researcher, all running behind the scenes. AI isn't going to replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. These 5 skills are not suggestions. They're the foundation of success in the next decade. Learn them now, and you'll be ahead of 99% of people going into 2026. Hit subscribe, comment AI to join the 250 giveaway, and stay locked in for more weekly Future of Money content. This is Online Money Plug, where we build smarter, faster, and earlier than everyone else.